Aha!
Welcome to Continuum Global Solutions. We're happy to have you as part of our team. In this brief video, we will introduce you on how to get your computer connected to a virtual private network through the iGEL UD Pocket system. You have received a packet containing the iGEL Pocket USB drive and the first time setup instructions. It's important to note the iGEL UD Pocket is the property of Continuum Global Solutions and will need to be returned in the case of malfunction or if you end your employment with the company. Please save the box and do not discard so you have it in case it ever needs to be returned. To get started with installing the iGEL system on your computer, remove the iGEL USB drive from the packet and insert it into a USB port on your powered off computer. Your computer must be connected to an Ethernet cable or hardwired directly to your router for you to be able to connect to the virtual private network or VPN. You cannot use Wi-Fi to connect to the VPN. The iGEL UD USB needs to be inserted before powering your computer on. The next step in getting your computer to boot up on the iGEL system is to interrupt the normal boot process. To do this, you must perform two tasks at the same time. You will want to power your computer on, while at the same time repeatedly press the function key assigned by your computer manufacturer to interrupt the normal boot process. Most commonly, it is the F12 key that will open up the boot menu on your computer. Please refer to your computer manufacturer's type and boot menu key displayed here, or you can conduct a quick Google search on how to boot your computer up from a USB device for further instructions. Now that we know what key to press to open up the boot menu, power on your computer and at the same time repeatedly press the corresponding key until the boot menu screen displays. Once the boot menu is displayed, make sure the iGEL UD Pocket 1100 option is highlighted and select it by hitting Enter on your keyboard. This will allow for your computer to boot up into the iGEL operating system environment, and you will see the iGEL Workspace desktop, which looks similar to the Microsoft Windows desktop. You will see that there are already some app icons available on your desktop, and that there is a taskbar on the bottom of the screen with a start menu that can be accessed by clicking on the Continuum logo in the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, all that needs to be done is for you to log into the Azure Thick client to establish a secure connection to the VPN. To log into Azure, use your username and password provided to you in your welcome email. Your username is also referred to as your WinID, and it is 8 digits in length, starting with 100. This WinID should be inputted as an email address, so input your WinID number at continuumgbl.com and then enter in the default password that was provided to you in your welcome email. The default password was also included in the first time setup guide that was included in your packet. Please review for further details. Once you are signed into Azure, you're all set and ready to start your journey with us day one. Now that you have actually set up your iGEL UD Pocket on your computer, it will automatically boot into the iGEL environment anytime your iGEL USB is inserted into your computer before startup. You will not have to rerun the setup process again going forward. To allow your computer to boot up normally, just power your computer down, remove the iGEL USB from your computer, and then power your computer up and it will boot up as normal. If any further assistance is needed with your initial setup of your iGEL system for your computer, please be sure to refer to the first time setup for iGEL guide that was included in your packet, and further assistance is available by contacting our global service desk at 1-833-979-1620 inside the US or 1-502-916-7358, and be sure to select option 3 for at-home support. Well, that is it. You've securely established a connection to the VPN through the iGEL system, and now you're ready to get started on day one. Again, welcome to the team, and we're happy to have you.